Hello guys, today I am going to explain about move zeros problem in LeetCode. The question is given an integer array names, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. So we have to move the zeros in the given array to the end, and what are the numbers they are presented that should not change its order. So how can we solve this problem? I'll explain how to solve this problem. This is given array. Our output should be like 1, 3 and 12 and 0, 0. See this non-negative, I mean like the positive numbers except 0 that should not change its order. Means like it should not get like 1, 12, 3 and so on. So this should not be the answer. The answer should be like 1, 3, 12 and the 0 should be in the end. So how can we solve this problem? Okay, I'll take a variable count, and next what and one more thing is you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So how we are going to solve this problem is we are not using any array and we are copying the elements from this to that. We are just interchange, I mean like we are just changing the positions of 0 to the end. So what I can do is I'll start a for loop, and if array of I, if it is not equals to 0, if it is not equals to 0 means that is something number which we have to move that in their places. So if it is not 0, I will take a count variable 0 and I will place this I values, array of I values in the count where this is count will be index here. So I will place that values in that indexes. So initially the index is 0, as we know that array starts from 0. So array of count plus plus equals to array of I. Whenever it is not a 0th value, we are just moving that values from 0 indexes. So if you see here, first count is 0. When we iterate through this, the first value is 0. Okay, we don't consider that, and the second value is 1, right? So we place this 1. Okay, 1, how many? 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. So what we can do is we are placing this 1. See, we are checking that this value is not equals to 0, means the value here is 1. So I am placing that so array of count plus plus means first here it will be 0. So at 0th index I am placing array of I, means that now the value is 1. So first I am placing here 1, and if I check next one, it is 0, so we don't take this, and coming to here it is 3, means which is not the 0 value. So initially previous the count was 0, means this is the index. Now it will be updated by 1, and now the value is 3, right? So we place 3 here, and next we will see that the value is not equals to 0, the value is 12 now, and we come here and the count, I mean the index now is 2 and the value is 12, right? So we place this 12 here, and next we have to fill these remaining places with the 0. So for that what we can do is I will start a while loop, where count less than array dot length. And what I'll do is I'll update that with the zeros, array of count plus plus equals to 0. What is the count now? The count is 2, which is less than array dot length. So array of count plus plus means 2, right? Now it will become 3. So now at third index we are updating with 0, and next now the count will be 4. For this place also we are updating 0, and next the count will be 5, which becomes, this while loop becomes false, and we come out of this. This is a simple approach how we can solve this problem. I'll just code for that. I'll take a variable count and I'll start the for loop. See what the condition I have to check is if nums of I not equals to 0. Then what I'm going to do is nums of count plus plus equals to nums of I. After this, while our count less than nums dot length. I am updating the last values with the zeros, so I will just run this program once. It has accepted. I will just submit and see. Yeah, the solution has accepted, guys. That's it.